Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Thabo Cele is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs. I am absolutely fuming. I am absolutely livid. Listen to this. This is coming in from Snechambers Tole from Mitiski Times. Kaizer Chiefs midfielder could be set for an exit with player not in the club's long-term plans. Not part of the preseason tour to Spain. What the bloody hell is going on? What is going on? We want to let go of one of our best players. Yes, Cele didn't have a great season last season. He was inconsistent, was struggling with injuries, but he is a brilliant player. We're talking about a player that we signed in January when this team was absolutely shambles and he was our best player. What are we doing here? What are we absolutely doing? Not part of the club's future plans. What the fuck? Oh, who's part of the future plans? Sibongiseni Mthethwa. What are we doing here? We are letting go of Thabo Cele and we are keeping Sibongiseni Mthethwa. It's an absolute joke. It's an absolute disgrace. It's an absolute disgrace. And I know some of you are going to defend this decision. Oh, yeah, it's a great decision. Oh, the management knows what they are doing. Oh, Fernando da Cruz this. Name me 5 midfielders. Name me 3 midfielders, in fact, outside Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns who are better than Thabo Cele. Exactly. You cannot name 3 midfielders better than Thabo Cele in the Betway Premiership besides Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates midfielders. You can't. You can't. So how do you trust this team? How do you trust this hierarchy to go out there and get a perfect replacement for Thabo Cele? How? It's an if you don't go out there and sign Miss Percy Mkhize or anyone who's going to raise the ceiling, I am going to lose my shit. I am absolutely going to lose it. I am losing it already. But if you can't get someone who's going to be an upgrade for Thabo Cele, which is very unlikely, I swear I am going to lose my shit. I am absolutely going to lose my shit. Men are telling me about Banse from Marumo Gallants. Give me a break. You are telling me a player who only started 10 games for Marumo Gallants will be good enough to replace Thabo Cele. A player who was not considered as a crucial player for a relegation team. You are telling me that guy is going to come and fill Thabo Cele's shoes. And with Thabo Cele's departure, this means we'll be only left with Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Lewang Mabo and Specific Love in that 6/8 position. Only 3 players. 3 players. Sibongiseni Mthethwa is absolutely terrible. So I don't even consider him an option. But based on quantity, we only have 3 midfielders. 3 midfielders. We are in the 2nd week of July. We only have 3 midfielders. We are letting go of one of our best midfielders. It's an absolute joke. Fuck off. I am out.